In the video about class, we looked at two different class types, which were double for numeric data and char for character data. The default class of the numbers 1 and 0 is double, and this determines their behaviour and attributes. In this video, we introduce another object class, which is the logical class, used to represent the values true and false. If we type true, then what we see on the screen is the result 1. And if we type false, then we see the result 0. But on closer inspection of the class of these numbers, we can see that they are logical. Therefore, they're likely to have different behaviour and attributes to the ordinary numbers 1 and 0. Indexing provides a good example of how things can be different. I'll demonstrate the difference between logical and numerical indexing for this array of random numbers. Using numeric indexing, which you should be familiar with, I can type x of 1, for example, to get the first element. I could type x of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 to get the first element repeated 6 times. If I throw a 0 in there somewhere, then I get an error, because there's no 0th element in the array. However, if I make these values logical, then I'll get a different result. Recalling that these values now represent true, true, false, true, 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 what we're now saying is, yes, I want the first element, yes, I want the second element, no, I don't want the third element, yes, yes, yes. So from our original array x, we got all of the elements except for the third one, for which we said false. The result is the same as what I would have got by typing x of 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. But logical indexing is very useful because it will provide a method for us to select elements from an array that satisfy certain criteria. We'll look at how this is done in the video about logical operations. To finish off this video though, I'll just add a word of warning about class conversion, because it's very easy to convert between numerical and logical values, and sometimes this can have unexpected consequences. Often the only way to anticipate what the results will be is to experiment. For instance, what do you think is given by this result? This expression is meaningless since it means true plus true. However, what MATLAB will do is convert these to numerical values and then add them, so the result is the numerical value 2. How about this result? Typing logical 2 gives us in fact logical 1, because MATLAB interprets any non-zero numerical value as true when performing class conversion to logical.